Okay, so as you probably saw the thumbnail, SlendyBob Halloween special is canceled. Because it's past Halloween. And it might be uploaded next year, but I doubt it. I'm probably going to forget about it, but I just need to say that it's canceled. SlendyBob might continue. I might continue with it. Now that I say that, I realize that I'm definitely going to continue it, because SlendyBob's the only reason that this channel is big, and the only reason that I'm talking to you right now. So, yeah, SlendyBob is canceled, because if you don't have eyes, you can't see, you're blind. The thumbnail said that SlendyBob is canceled, so we're definitely going to do a movie, but I don't know when, and yeah, so SlendyBob's canceled. By the way, while I've been talking, this is almost as long as a SlendyBob episode would be. So yeah, bye.